So something that happened over the past week, and I think a lot of people may have missed, was DJI updated their app to 4.2.12, and it brings in some changes. So some of the things that they added was added instructions for group selfie, smart capture, optimize APAS interactive experience, and simplified and reduced pop-up messages, which they have all those little annoying nags and they're hard to like swipe away, and then some general bug fixes. We're going to talk about that here in just a minute. Stay tuned. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. I'm your host, Original Dobo, and if you're new around here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of this video. DJI has released yet another update to their iOS Android version app, but somebody that is still left in the dark and hasn't been updated yet is the Android app. If we look at the Android store, it is still on the previous version, and this seems to be more and more of a common thread. So this video is not so much about whether or not they added new features to the iOS version, it's the fact that they still haven't updated this yet for Android, which makes absolutely no sense, because if you buy a Crystal Sky monitor, you are essentially getting an Android tablet more or less without the Play Store. So I'd be interested to know, anybody who has a Crystal Sky monitor, are you getting these updates before anybody else? Or do you get the update the same when the Android version drops? It would only make sense, right? Why would you hold out for just a monitor? So a little bit interesting maneuver. I'm going to test out the Android app this week and see how it compares to the iOS brethren as far as testing the latency of the video feeds along with the GPS sensor to see which one really is better, and is there such an advantage as to buying an iPhone if you own a DJI drone versus the Android. I know it's a hot topic, and some of the best screens, like I've said it before, are on an Android phone, yet DJI can't get their crap together when it comes to building the Android app. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. If you want, we'll fire off at DJI and see what their answer is for this. I am testing some other applications out to see which do work best with Android for flying your drone. Keep in mind, any third-party applications will void the warranty if you have a catastrophic failure. Anyways, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and as always, stay original. I will catch you in the next one.